So now we need to make a function called delete to do. So let's see, const delete to do equals to async, and we will get the id that we need to delete, and again try and catch the errors. So now we need to call database, and then we need to call the delete document, and it takes the database id as first parameter, process.env.react database id, and then the collection id. So process.env.react collection id, then it takes the document id. So we have the id, and that's it. So we will store it into variable x and await it and console the result log x, and in the case of error we will again log the error. So let's see if it is working or not. So delete, yeah, it is deleted. Delete, yeah, delete, it is working. So this was all about the to do app.